Hi students, Sunday you will be having test on the two chapters of geography and this one chapter of economy, that is story of a village Palampur. So today I am giving you the question and answers of NCERT of your textbook. All questions in the textbook are not mandatory, they are not so important. Some are based on the activities which you have to do on your own. So don't do it. The questions which I am showing here, note this down. You can pause the video and you can note it. So this is the first slide. You can see, you can pause the video, write down the question and answers. Question is, modern farming methods require more inputs which are manufactured in industry. Do you agree? Yes. Answer is given here. How did the spread of electricity help farmers in Palampur? That is given here. Next again, we can pause the video and take down the notes. These are some important question and answers. Only these questions are important. I have given question answers according to the CBSE textbook or NCERT textbook. Question number 4, is it important to increase? अच्छा, question numbers आगे पीछे हैं. They are according to textbook. So you have to change the questions. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4. You can go serially. This question number 4, is it important to increase the area under irrigation? Why? It is given here. Why are the wages for farm laborers in Palampur less than minimum wages? We have discussed. It is given here the answer. Note it down on your notebook. Describe the work of a farmer with 1 hectare of land. ये एक स्पेशल केस स्टडी है. अगर किसी फार्मर के पास में 1 hectare of land है, so what will be his work? How will he work in his farm? It is given here. Some people or some students are telling that the answers are too long. Let it be. Understand the concept. Try to write your own words. अभी आप 9th में हैं. In 9th class, you are not supposed to memorize the answer and write it down same in the examination. You have to understand the concept and write the concept in your own words, in your own language. Understood? So कोई आंसर बड़ा नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ समझना है उस आंसर को और अपनी तरह से लिखने की कोशिश करनी है एग्जामिनेशंस में. Okay, the next question is, how do medium and large farmers obtain capital for farming? We have discussed in our video. Just go through the answer. What can be done so that more non-farm production activities can be started in villages? तो हम नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज़ हमने देखा था, डेयरी है, शॉपकीपर्स हैं, ट्रांसपोर्ट है. सो हाउ कैन इट बी डेवलप्ड इन अ पर्टिकुलर विलेज? सो इट विल टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट दैट व्हाट दे कैन डू. इट इज़ ऑल गिवन हियर. सो राइट दिस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स इन योर, ओके, दैट्स इट. So write these question answers in your notebook. Don't write any other question answers. Write this one. And there will be a test on Sunday on 3 chapters, 2 of geography and 1 of economics. Tomorrow I will share with you certain important question answers of all 3 chapters. So go through these question answers. Don't write it. जो कल मैं दूंगा आपको question answers, आपको लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर आप चाहें तो आप लिख सकते हैं for your practice. Or just go through the question answers and understand it. If any doubts, you have time till tomorrow. You can text me, you can call me, you can ask me questions. Sunday will be your test. I will share all the details tomorrow regarding test. Also tomorrow I will send a video of all important question and answers of all these 3 lessons. So thank you.